everyone, so here is this cool app which is called Tempo Music Video Maker. So to install it on iPhone, just tap Get and then just use your Touch ID, your password or Face ID depending on your device, and then you can just install it. So it's 126 megabytes. So you can just use all these different templates and then create some kind of like music videos, which then you can repurpose on TikTok or other apps like that. So that's the whole idea. There are more and more apps similar to this, because obviously TikTok and other like Instagram Reels, all of that is become much more popular, and it's just much easier to create these templates from here. So for example, like this, and then you can just swipe up and down to use these templates. And then you can just select your picture and it will be installed there in the video.
So is she your girlfriend? No.
Like anyway, so you just add your selfie and it will be displayed in the picture. So that's the idea of the app. Hope that is helpful.